If you are interested in setting up a pure water factory, a bottled water factory, or even a dispenser gallon production factory, you are in luck because in this video, I recently visited a facility here in Abuja, Nigeria at Idu, and the owner of that factory is willing to sell out all the equipment to any interested buyer. So these machines are fairly used, but they are in perfect condition. I went around the factory, did a little factory tour, saw all the equipments, and give my take on it. I will be attaching a clip of the factory tour right after this my small commentary. So if you're interested in acquiring the machines, maybe you want to set up a factory, or you can't go for the new equipments at the moment, you can go for these ones because these ones are as good as new. They were not used for a long period of time. The owner just bought the equipment after production for a while because he's not based here in Nigeria. He decided to just sell off the factory and move completely to the country where he resides. So these are pure water machines and they are working perfectly. These are the filtration tanks, and this factory is entirely fully automatic. We walked in through there, but I'll just show you the entire factory and the equipment here for anyone interested in buying. I'll leave my contact information so that you can contact me and let me know if you are interested. So over here, this is the automatic line, but this is the shrink wrapping side. This is also another shrink wrapping machine. All these machines are working and all of them are up for sale. Fully automatic. This is the automatic labeling section. This is the monoblock section for bottled water production. You can see the filters, the UV lights, and all other connections. These are water filters. This is filtration tank. This is also the monoblock machine. More of it. I don't even know where to start, but let me just walk around and show you the entire factory. This is for dispenser. So everything you need here for pure water production, bottled water production, gallon dispenser, everything is available. Let me walk through this other area. This is also the shrink wrapping machine. You can see some of the products produced. Automatic labeling machine. This is the treatment section. And over there you see that's the blowing machine for blowing bottles. This is more of the treatment section. Sand filter, carbon filter, rising. This is the reverse osmosis. This is the purified water tank. So anyone interested in acquiring this factory, you can contact me. This is the fully automatic bottling line. This is the monoblock section of the bottling line. So if you're interested in acquiring this equipment to start up your pure water production factory, your bottled water factory, your dispenser factory, you can contact me using the contact information on the screen. And if you are interested in any of the services I offer, like one-on-one consultation, factory site visits, etc., you can contact me on WhatsApp using the contact information.